This is a review of the Sunee 1.5-inch 3-ring binder, and they come in these 4 adorable pastel colors. It's made of really good solid cardboard. They have plastic available on both sides, so then that way if you want to just label your binders. And then it's got really good round inner clips, and then also has some little inner pockets. These binders were exactly what I was looking for to keep my paperwork all organized and in one spot.